Hi. It's Sunday. It's about 5:15 p.m. and I'm back. So let's go and check if the contractor has achieved anything on Friday. I don't think so. However, I kind of remember that they were saying they would come soon and put some finishing touches, on the house. I do not know what they meant by that, but as far as I can tell, there is no. Here we go. Yes, they did. They did that. I don't think you remember it, but here, you see, they were indeed going to cover up this part of the wall, right above the door, sliding door, and they did that. So they did something. Well, let's see. And also check the check the hole, and I noticed, I don't know if you can see it, some soil fell from there. I understand there was some rainfall over the weekend, and I guess rainwater, wow, it carried some soil here. Yeah, that's another reason why, as I was planning to do so, I need to put a pail here, big pail. Okay, so anyway, so this is indeed, this is indeed a progress. Okay. Let's go to the back section. I can't think of anything else that they might do to the house. I think they are done. Other than, as I just said, as I've been saying, electrical wiring. You see, that's they have to do that. Now let's see. What else have they possibly done? Nothing new here on the east side of the house, and nothing new on how about the north side, as far as I can tell. There is nothing new. By the way, since I'm in the back section, let's check on the turtle. The turtle is not here. Since it rained, look, the water level went up because it rained. But I don't see. I was hoping to see the turtle, but it's murky water too. But now we know the water level does go up when it rains, and as expected, because even before I took out the soil, it was showing signs of signs of water. It was showing that some water accumulated here after each rain. Okay, I can't see the turtle, but I'm sure the guy is here. And since the water is kind of murky, I cannot turbid. Is it the word? So I can't see the newt. Anyway, so let's go in and see if they did anything. I can't think. There is one thing I can. Yeah, okay. Let's go in and check. And by the way, let's hope we can meet those salamanders again. Yes, this is the thing. Right here, this was missing. Can you tell it's a new new piece of metal here. I don't know what you call it. It's a screw lock. I don't know what you call it. If you unscrew it, then it it opens like so, and if you shut it and screw it in, oops, oh, I cannot screw it in. Let's see. Let me put it down and let me try to. Yeah, I think it's working now. Now it's gone. Now it's going in. The same thing. This is new, but there was an old, old screw here. So this side is working. I mean, this side was working, and this screw lock, I don't know what you call it, this was missing, So they fixed that too. So they did two things. They fixed that, that wall, a small piece of wall right above the sliding door on the south side, and on the north side, inside it is, they attached, installed this screw key, whatever you call it. I don't know what it's called. Screw. It's not a latch, is it? And I wonder if they're going to do anything to to this part of the floor. They don't have to. I can still use it. And what else? I don't think they've done anything. Okay, but good. So we've taken a little step forward. Yeah. Oh, I think they did it on Friday. Yeah. Okay. Hey. I need to find a way to use all these doors. At least I can use the glass, window pane. But this also. But otherwise, how about this paper sliding door? I don't know how I can use them. Okay. Anyway, it's good. They've made two improvements, or put the finishing touch to the house, and I'm very happy about that. Let's take one more peek and see if we can see the total. Guess not. So I guess while I was gone, it rained relatively heavily around here, perhaps. I don't know, but it may have rained relatively heavily. Okay, now let's go and check the ridgelines. Let's go and check the ridgelines. Here we go. New leaves for the chestnut tree. Oh, nice. And let's see. So the ridgelines, it's much earlier today, and as you can see, there is one speck of cloud, but otherwise this is, the sky really clear today. So ridgelines are beautiful. And the sun is still shining on the distant mountains, and that's another reason. You can almost see, I wouldn't say each tree, but yeah, I think some of the larger trees, I think I may be seeing, especially if you look at the ridgeline. The ridgeline is ragged, right? It's not because of a rock or anything. It's the trees. You know, some trees are taller and so on. Okay. So this is nice. Very good. It's much earlier. As I just said, it's probably it's now 5:20, 5:30, something like that. And mid-April, so you know the sun sets kind of much later now. And okay, whoa! I can watch it. I can enjoy watching it forever. It's beautiful. I like it. And I see a train running. I might not see. I hear a train running, but I don't see one. Let's go and check the west sky. Western sky. Wow. This is good. This is pretty good. And this week I'm going to, it's Sunday, so this week, right? This week I'm going to work on the stream. Decided on the final design, including what kind of pump I use and stuff, you know. But civil engineering type work has been done. The rest is what is it? Electrical engineering? Not quite. Mechanical engineering, I guess. Pumps, you know. Okay. So let's take a look at that big hole one more time. I want to enjoy my achievement. Here we go. Here we go. The big hole. And this is what they did for us. They did this. This plate was not here before. Okay. I think it was windy, you know. Look at this door. This door was leaning, leaning against, like so. But at the angle was, you know, was not deep enough. So anyway, yeah. All right. Let's go. And this is I want to believe this is a cherry tree, but maybe it's not. I'm no longer sure if it's a cherry tree. You know, the surface, I mean the surface of the trunk looks like one, and it's certainly not a plum tree. Remember before, like a month ago, 2 months ago, I guess, you know, I mistook a plum tree for cherry tree, but this is not a plum tree, that's for sure. And I thought this was a cherry tree, but it didn't blossom this spring, right? So, let's go and check on the. Remember the dead I mean, seemingly dead almond tree. I wonder if there's any sign of life. Yeah, this is maybe this is completely dead. I don't know. I'll leave it here for a while. And the water, the water here, I mean, it's not going anywhere. That kind of, that intrigues me. I mean, what does that mean? It means this is watertight. So maybe I can include it in my, this water system. I mean, river and pond, and I want to have a not quite a network, but a simple network of waterways and ponds and falls even, maybe. Okay, let's go and take a look at another thing is this. I want to dig out this hose because it looks like it can still be used, and it may be a very long hose. I mean, because look, you can see it here as well, so that's one thing I'd like to do. Digging out the holes. Western sky. West sky is the sun is just about to set. It hasn't set yet, but because of the trees, you can't see it. I can show you. I can move over to the road. Then here we go. Here. Can you see it? That's the sun. So it's too early for the nice, orange colored sky to enjoy that. It's too early. Okay, so quite unexpectedly, I'd say, quite unexpectedly, the contractors made two more improvements, right? One was the the covering, wood plate, covering that little wall right above the sliding door on the south side of the house, and that's outside. And also on the north side, this is inside the house. They put a screw key, whatever you call it. I don't know what you call that thing. Screw closer to the sliding doors there. So that's good. I'm gonna I think I'm going to sign off. I didn't do any physical engaging any physical labor, but I had to travel all the way from Osaka to here. It takes only like 1 hour and 40 minutes, but to train my legs, I stand. I do not sit down, so it makes me tired, and so I'm ready to sign off and go in, and as usual, drink coffee and eat dinner. Okay, so bye-bye. Until next time. Bye.